Welcome back. Okay, we talked right now about the Pytest init, and I said that we can use any other test runner, and this is true. If we go to the documentation here in test frameworks, we can see that we can use unit test, test file, nose. So we have a bunch of other test runners, and even if a new test runner is not listed here, as the framework is agnostic to implementation, to any implementation or any other library, you can potentially use this test runner here, okay? So it's quite the same. If you are using unit tests, you need to have your test implemented using the unit test, the test case, object, okay? But this is just a detail of the implementation. You can use unit test to run the test, and you can see also see the logs as you saw for Pytest. You can do the same for test file. For nose, okay, nose, we have an issue in Python 3.10, but as the framework works for Python 3.8 and 3.9, you can still use nose in these circumstances. If you are using Python 3.10 or plus, maybe you will not be able to use nose, okay? But you have other options, okay? You have this one, this test tree. I don't know how to pronounce it. We have green, so we have lots of things here. We also have support for coverage. Again, these are just examples and tested examples. In theory, you can use any test runner to run your test, and you can also integrate this execution with other test reports like Allure, for example. Okay, so this is a very good feature that you can use. Okay, let's go to the next one. Bye bye.